All right, so we have two problems here. We want to solve the quadratic equation by completing the square, and we're going to leave our answers in exact form. So to do the first one, a is going to be x squared minus 6x minus 12 equals 0. So remember, we're going to complete the square on the first two terms. So this is going to be x squared, and then this is going to be minus 3x minus 3x. So x minus 3, x minus 3. Negative 3 times negative 3 is 9. Okay, so I need for this right here to be 9. So what do I need to add to this side to get 9? So I think what you have to do is add 21, because if I add 21 to this side, that's going to make this 9, and if I add 21 here, I have to add 21 on this side. So then when I do that, I'm going to get x squared minus 6x plus 9 equals 21. So this is a perfect square, and so the whole reason we did this is so we can use x minus 3, its factors, so x minus 3 squared equals 21. And so then at this point we want to solve it. So we're going to take the square root of both sides, and we're going to get the absolute value of x minus 3 equals the square root of 21. And then when we evaluate inside the absolute value here, we know this value has to be positive or negative. So that means x minus 3 equals root 21, or x minus 3 equals negative root 21. So x equals 3 plus root 21, or x equals 3 minus root 21. And so that's our answer in exact form. Now, if the square root, sometimes you have to simplify what's under that square root. In this case, we don't. I suppose I should say you could also write your answer as 3 plus or minus the square root of 21. That's an acceptable way to write the answer as well. All right.